How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling digital collage sheets on Etsy. So let's get started by opening Etsy, then go to the search to see some examples of the product that we will be selling. So here type digital collage sheets, and you will be able to see a lot examples of this product. So let's wait for it to load, then we will scroll down to see the examples of this product. So here we have Celeste bundle, Ichigo Pili Oldies bundle, Spring Fairy journal, junk journal pages, and here you will see a lot of examples here. Mega bundle, 111 digital flower patterns, 1050 plus Collage elements creator. So here you will be able to see a lot of examples of this product. So here let's look for the popular ones. We want to go for the popular ones in the page here. I think none of them is popular as it seems, but let's go for this one here. For example, let's check this product and we're going to see how much money they are making. So here we have assorted white embellishments, journaling, collage, scrapbooking, and here if you scroll down you'll be able to see that this is a digital product. And the thing I like most about digital products is that you will not encounter the usual problems, which are the returns, refunds, closing your payment gateway because of the refunds or returns, or you will not encounter any problems with the clients, because from the beginning they will read here that there are no refunds or returns in digital products, which is a rule or a term of use in the platform. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find it. Terms of use for this name: all my products unless noticed otherwise are for limited commercial use. You might use these images, you might not use the kits. Create one, credits are not required. If you have any concerns, let's scroll down to see if we are going to find the return policy that it's not available. Some write it down and some don't write it because it's known. There is no need to write it. People know that if you buy a digital product from Etsy, there are no refunds and returns as well. So here let's go to a page called Everbee to see how much money this product is making for this shop. So here let's scroll down to copy the name of the shop. So here let's copy the name and let's go to Everbee to see how much money these people are making with this single product. Sign up for free, and let's wait for it to load. Here we will be able to spy on the shops on Etsy. So here let's go to the shop analyzer. Let's just wait for it to load here. Let's go to the shop analyzer. Here give it a few seconds to load again, and let's go to the shop analyzer. Here let's type the name of the shop and let's click on search shop to see their total sales and from when they started, the time that they started this shop in, and their total sales on the shop, and also the products that they have and how many sales that they are making per month with every product. So here let's go to the left or the right. Here you will see the shop's age is 54 months, and if we go to the total shop sales, 45,000 sales from when they started to now, which is a lot of money, which means they made a lot of money with this shop. And here you can see the products that they have. So here let's check one of their products. For example, let's check this one here who costs $12 and it was listed 27 months ago. So let's check this product. So it seems like they stopped listing too many products. As you can see in here, a lot of the products that they listed were listed before, or it just seems like that. So here a lot of their products were listed when they started, and the last product they listed was 27 months ago, which means this is just they are just making passive income. They are not doing any effort. So here let's click on this page, products page, to see the reviews, and from the reviews we will be able to guess the amount of money they are making with this product. So here the total reviews of the product are 60, so that means they made approximately 120 sales with this product. And here you can see the reviews per month, which means they are making 4 sales per month with this product, which is 4 times 12, that's $48 per month with one product. And if you go to the next product here, you will see that they're making another 4 sales per month, which is 4 times 8, 28, another $28. And if you keep counting the amount of sales that they are making with every product, you'll see how much money they're making per month without even doing any work recently, because all of their products were listed before. So that's just a passive income. The owner could be just lying on the bed and sleeping, and money is coming from Etsy. And I'm going to show you how you can create products like this. You'll just need to go to canva.com. So here you can go to canva.com and go to pages where you can take photos like this or pictures like this, or you can just create them yourself and then take them to a white page and create your own product like this here. So guys, you don't need to worry about the product because it's very easy to make. It's not that hard to make products like this. As you can see from the pictures, it's just symbols created in a white paper or a white background. So here just go to the search and type digital collage sheets, and you'll have a lot of templates to change or to just make some changes to, and then you will have your own product. Or you can just go to create a design and start creating a product like this. Just take a picture like this. If it's on a background, remove the background and make it a transparent background, and you will have your product ready to be sold on Etsy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.